So I'm now ready to add my questions. You'll see I'm in the question tab. Over here's details. And so I've got three options here. I can go to new question group, or find questions. Find questions would be if I had past question groups that I had created, if I had imported test banks or something like that. New question groups are great if you are having students work on mastering a skill. You can enter in multiple questions that relate to that skill, say addition. And so you have multiple sets of numbers added in, and then you can tell Canvas to randomly select for each student 3 questions, or however many you think is appropriate. That way each student is getting a different test, but still practicing the exact same skill. Or you can just go to new question, and that's where you're going to add it if everyone's going to be getting the same questions and you're creating them right now. So we'll start there. Up here you'll notice that whenever you click into this, question will be highlighted to prompt you to change the title of the question if you'd like. I typically just leave it. Over here you have the different options for what kind of question you want to ask. We'll just keep it at multiple choice for now. You've got points. The default is 1, but you can change that to whatever you need it to be. Then you've got the dialog box. Just like any dialog box on Canvas, you are able to add all sorts of things, so you can work on your alignment and the style of your font. You can add tables, you can add links, images, videos. So these are videos you can get from different apps that you install through settings. So for example, I've got YouTube on here, NBC Learn is on everyone's. You can record or upload media. So you can enter your question here. So say I want to know, what is 5 plus 3? Down here I've got my correct answers. So I can put in different answers here. So maybe I'm going to put 7, 2, 8, and 9. So on here the correct answer is 8, so I just click on that. And you'll also notice that I've got boxes down here. So for the incorrect answers, they're light red, and it's a light green for the correct answer. So these allow me to add comments if I would like to. These can be just like with the question. I can add any kind of media I'd like. I could also add that for each possible distractor. So for example, here, if a student gets 5 plus 3, that tells me that they probably were doing subtraction and not addition. So maybe I want to write a note to remember to check your signs. Or I can also come down here and I can do general comments. So I can have one for a correct answer down here. I can have one for an incorrect answer, so maybe I want to have a video in here, and so we are going to work on addition. And then you, of course, would choose the best one. I'm just choosing the first one. And so I've got a video here. I'm going to write a note. Watch this video to review your addition skills. I click done. Now any student who gets that answer wrong will be given this video. The other features of the question, you can also add another answer. So you can add 4 here or whatever you want to add. You can also edit or delete. So maybe I want to delete that one. And then when you're finished, make sure that you click on Update Question.